In this GlassTrax training video, I'm going to be showing you some of the packing list options that we offer. One of the things that we get asked for quite often is how to work with the packing list pop-ups that come up after you complete an order. Those pop-ups are managed in miscellaneous, setup/miscellaneous feature initialization. I'm going to go ahead and just type in packing list here. And here's a list of everything basically that you can look at. So I've got automatically create packing lists or invoices. You can go ahead and actually suppress the prompt to print the packing list from here as well. There are a number of different features that you might want to take a look at. One new feature that we've added actually does not have anything to do with those features. It's the ability to create packing lists for specific lines, and that is done right here in the sales tab. And then if I scroll over to the right here and I go to reports and inquiries and go to sales order/quote reports and come down to print sales order forms. Once I have this screen, now notice right here I have SO line grayed out, but as soon as I check packing list, it becomes available. What you can do here now is you can say an exact match. I'm only doing one line on this packing list, a range of lines like 1 through 3, or you can say greater than or less than or equal to, or inset is the option that I would probably use. If you use inset, let's say I'm going to say include numbers, line number 1, 2, 5, and 9. It's going to create a packing list with just those lines from the particular sales order that you've defined right up here. It's going to go ahead and create that packing list just for lines 1, 2, 5, and 9 while leaving lines 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 to be put on a later packing list further down the road.